What's raisin, or dried grapes? Raisins are sun-dried grapes or fruit and vegetable dryers. And although both possess the same nutritional content, the nutrients in raisins are more concentrated, including calories, vitamins, and minerals. Due to its delicious taste, it enters a lot of foods, such as cookies, muffins, chocolates, and is used by some with salad and others. Raisins should be consumed moderately, since they contain a high amount of calories, and people who need to increase the level of sugar in their diet are advised to eat a handful of raisins to meet their sugar needs, as well as take advantage of the vitamins, minerals, and fiber contained in them. The nutritional value of raisins: each half of the yellow raisins contains the following: calories 217, calories total fat 0.2, G saturated fat 0.1 G sodium, salt 18.8 mg, total starches 57.5 grams. Raisin health benefits: energy supply to the body, treatment and prevention of constipation, prevention of iron deficiency and anemia, prevention of osteoporosis, enhancing satiety, reduce cholesterol levels, prevention of infections. Raisin benefits for memory. One of the most important benefits of raisins for memory. Raisins are a rich source of boron metal that stimulates the strength of attention, memory, and the ability to coordinate the eye and hand. Because it is an important source of vitamin B, it improves the function of the nervous system, and thus the functioning of the brain and memory. Raisin benefits for children. In addition to the many benefits of raisins, its benefits specific to children are: raisins treat constipation in children by soaking raisins on a full night and then drinking the baby for soaked raisin water. This drink improves bowel movement, modify acidity levels in children's bodies, and because raisins are rich in potassium and magnesium. Raisins are foods rich in vitamin A, selenium, potassium, iron, and vitamin B, so raisins may promote sexual health by. Raisins are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency can cause sexual impairment because it enters the composition of progesterone. This hormone controls the full menstrual cycle in women, and vitamin also keeps the lining of the vagina and uterus healthy. In men, vitamin A deficiency may lead to atrophy in the testicles, reducing the effectiveness of the kidneys in the production of sex hormones. Raisins are rich in vitamin B, and one of the main functions of vitamin B is to maintain the completion of metabolism in the right way. The lack of vitamin B in the body will reduce sexual motivation, lethargy, and fatigue. Raisins contain selenium that maintains the quality of sperm produced. It improves the movement of sperm, and thus increases the chance of pregnancy. Also lurking are the benefits of raisins for intercourse. Raisins contain arginine amino acid, which helps produce nitric oxide, which keeps healthy blood flow to all parts of the body. Nitric oxide plays an important role in the occurrence of male erection and helps relax the genital region of men's genitalia, which leads to healthy blood flow to this area, and also has the same effect in women as it helps blood reach their genitals.